I want you to take a look at how much this affiliate program is paying out. Bring just 10 paid users and you get 30% commission plus $100 reward. And if you are a hard worker and someone willing to dedicate their time to this and bring in 1,000 people every month, that is an extra $10,000 a month in passive income. And on top of that, you still get your 30% commission. So you can literally make 5 figures every month if you sign up to this affiliate network by leveraging the power of affiliate marketing. And don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the entire process in this video, and you don't need to be an expert to make this work for you. You can literally copy and paste the strategy I'm about to reveal to you in this video. The reason this is a lazy way to make money online is because there are so many things you don't have to do yourself, like creating a product, making a website, and also you don't have to run any paid ads, which means we will be using free organic traffic from Google. And if you're new to this channel, my goal is to help you make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. The first step is coming over to AdCreative.ai, and this is an AI tool that helps you generate images and video creatives for your ads, literally saving you a lot of time doing this yourself or hiring freelancers or for Fiverr that can become pretty expensive quickly. And as you can see right here, you will get higher conversion rates using artificial intelligence, which in turn helps businesses sell their product faster and keep them in business. And if you ask me, that is the main goal of most businesses, getting sales. And in this video, we will be promoting this product as an affiliate because they have a very lucrative affiliate program, as I showed you earlier in this video. And this way we can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So you know, this is absolutely free and does not require any upfront investment, and it also works worldwide. So all you simply need to do once you come over to this website is to scroll down to the very bottom where you are going to see affiliate. So all you need to do is to click on this link. If you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page, which then takes us to our next step by creating an account with AdCreative affiliate program. So all you simply need to do here is to click on become a partner. It's going to bring you to this page where you can simply enter your basic information and you'll be able to create an account right away. And so you know, the AdCreative affiliate program is being hosted by PartnerStack, which is an affiliate network. So once you create your account, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you will be able to copy your affiliate link. All right, so once you paste in the link in a new tab, it's going to bring people to this AdCreative website. And now once businesses come over to this page and they see that they can get 14 times higher conversion rate on their ads, they are most likely going to be interested in using this tool to scale their businesses. And just like I said before, businesses' main goal is to generate sales, as without sales they can't sustain their businesses. So if they purchase this product using our affiliate link, they are going to make more money on their ads, and we will get a commission for referring that sale. So that's a win-win situation for everyone in this transaction. The final step in this video is getting traffic, and of course, without driving traffic to our affiliate link, our target audience cannot find us, and if they don't, we won't get any commission. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 proven strategies you can use to get affiliate commissions for absolutely free. So the first method is coming over to YouTube, and you want to type in keyword like Google Ads optimization or Google Ads tips. And if you type this, YouTube is going to show you other suggested keywords people are searching for in this niche, and you want to make sure to grab these other suggested keyword as well and paste them in a notepad, as we are going to be replicating this same strategy on these suggested keywords as well to boost our success rate using this strategy and make those affiliate commissions. And yes, you will have to make videos for this method, and don't worry, if you don't want to show your face or record your voice, I will show you how to get around that in this video. And the reason this first method is amazing is because you can simply add your affiliate link in the description of your videos, and when these people watch your video, they can simply click on the link to go to the website to make a purchase, which you then get a commission. And also, you don't need to be an expert in Google Ads, as you can simply come over to ChatGPT to get ideas for the video. You can simply type in a simple prompt like give me 10 Google Ads tips, And if you do this, as you can see, ChatGPT has provided a list of 10 tips you can use to create that video. So all you then need to do from here is to then grab your mobile device and any headphone available at your disposal and start recording yourself sharing this tip to people. And while you are making the video, you want to make sure to then introduce people to AdCreative.ai, letting them know it can help them get more conversion and more sales promoting their product on Google Ads. So you want to make sure to include your affiliate link in the description of your video so that people can easily click on the link and then go over to the website to make a purchase, which you would then get your commission. So if you get 1,000 views on one of your videos and only 1% purchase this product, and that is the bare minimum, and that is 10 people, you would get 30% of their purchase, and you will also get rewarded $100 as a bonus. So you can see you can make passive income doing this. And just like I promised, if you don't want to show your face, you can come over to InVideo.ai. As you can see, this is also another AI tool that can create videos for you with text prompt. So instead of going over to ChatGPT to type in give me 10 Google Ads tips, you can simply sign up to InVideo and you can basically type it right here, and InVideo will generate a video you can post to YouTube. The second method is going over to Google to find businesses ourselves, and this is by far the best method I recommend for anyone who doesn't want to make YouTube videos, as this way you don't have to even show your face or record any content at all. So you want to simply come over to Google and type in a business and a location right here. Okay, so now for me, I'm going to take Gym London as an example. And if you do that, Google is going to show you sponsored ads on the top right here. As you can see, this one right here is a sponsored ad. If I scroll down, you can see this one is also a sponsored ad. As you can see, this one right here is also a sponsored ad. So if I scroll down even further, we are going to see other websites that are not running ads on Google. But we want to target businesses that are already running ads on Google, because that tells us the budget is already there, and all we simply need to do is to convince them to use AdCreative.ai to scale their business. All right, now you want to make sure whatever business you want to target, it must be in tier 1 country. All right, like United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and United Kingdom. And now to do this, you will need a proxy to do this, and I highly recommend using Node Maven Residential Proxy. If you use Node Maven Proxy, as you can see right here, you can come over and target any country of your choice, and here you can come over to target any part of United Kingdom and any city in United Kingdom. And the reason why I recommend going for tier 1 countries is because they have higher disposable income, and this way you stand a higher chance of making more money using this strategy. So I've made a detailed video of how to use Node Maven Proxy right here to get 2 GB of free traffic and start using this method right away. So now we are going to take one of these businesses here as an example, and I'm going to take this one that says BXR London Luxury Gym. So as you can see, it brought us to their website, and right here they are promoting their gym membership. All right, so now you want to look for where it says contact, where you can reach out to this business, and all we need to do right here is to cold email them and let them know they can actually use AdCreative.ai to scale their gym membership. Now as you can see, this is their email address, which means we can reach out to this business. And now you need to know you can use regular emails like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, and the like, because if you use these regular emails to reach out to these businesses, 99% of the time your emails will end up in the spam folder and they will never get a chance to see your email. So I'm going to show you how you can actually get your emails to land in the inbox of these businesses and sign up to AdCreative, which in turn generates commissions for us. So you want to come over to this platform right here, and I'm going to leave the link in the description, and it's called Build the Raw. All right, as you can see right here, it has a 14 days free trial, and you don't have to enter your credit card. You can use it for absolutely free. So once you come over to this website, all you need to do from here is to click on try for free. Once you do that, your account is going to be created and it's going to look like this. Okay, so now once you create your account, all you need to do from here is to come over to tools, and you are going to see this section that says mailing burst. So you want to click on the link. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do from here is to click on create an email, and now it's going to ask you to give this email template a name. So now I'm going to name it Ad Creative, and you want to scroll down and select this option that says campaign, and this is where you want to type in the subject of your email, and this is where you then want to type in the content of your email. So I'm going to leave this template in the description, which you can use right here to send out this email. All you need to do is to make sure to grab your Ad Creative AI affiliate link. All right, so you want to come over to every section right here that says Ad Creative. You want to highlight it, and you want to click on this link button. So once you do this, this is where you want to paste in your affiliate link, so that once these businesses click on the affiliate link and make a purchase, you will get credited that commission. You can replicate this for any niche, but you want to make sure to target cities in any tier 1 country, as that way you stand a higher chance of getting affiliate commissions. And keep in mind, we already know these businesses are spending money, so there's a very good chance they would want to use Ad Creative to even make more money for their business. And as long as they keep using Ad Creative AI, you will be getting a recurring commission every month in passive income.